Hi there, welcome to our drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a happy butterfly. Here you can see that I'm using my compass with orange color pen in it. Here's a tiny circle, and now I'm using my ruler to marking the area. For the drawing, I'm using my orange color pen. Here is the body of the butterfly. Let's do the coloring with the same orange color. Here's my ruler again and my pink color pen. For its wings, I'm marking some areas. Okay, now let's draw its wings. Perfect. Now I'm using my compass with yellow color pen in it. I'm drawing some tiny circles. Let's fill the circles with the same yellow color. For the rest of the wing, I'm using my blue color pen. Again, I'm using my compass with the same yellow color in it. Let's draw its antenna with orange color. Here's my black pen to draw its eyes. I'm using my pink highlighter pen. With the brown color pen, I'm drawing a smiley mouth. For the coloring of its wings, I'm using my pink color pen. Let's do the coloring. Wow! For the rest, I'm using my pink highlighter pen. For the lower portion of the wing, I'm using blue color pen. Inside blue, I'm using cyan highlighter pen. Wow, it's looking really colorful. For the rest, I'm using yellow color. Wow, my drawing is done. Thank you so much for watching.